It's a 2007 Cadillac Escalade. It's iconic and uncompromising and done on a grand scale. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: integrated navigation system with voice activation, power heated mirrors, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, remote engine start, dual zone climate control, automatic transmission, power sliding and tilting sunroof, adaptive suspension, and V8 engine. The Car Connection comments, while offering the acceleration and responsiveness of a smaller luxury vehicle, the Escalade offers one of the most comfortable, lavishly appointed interiors available in any SUV. To achieve greatness, one must dare to be great. Shape your world in a Cadillac. You'll never know until you try. Test drive it today.
Your satisfaction is our goal. We're conveniently located at 2375 County Road 10 in Mounds View, Minnesota.